Today we're going to read one of your favorite books. It's called My Car. Are you guys ready? All right. I am Sam. This is my car. I love my car. I keep my car clean. My car needs oil and a full tank of gasoline. My car has many parts: body, wheels, engine, steering wheel. My car has lights to see at night and windshield wipers to see in the rain. When I drive carefully. I obey the laws. I stop for pedestrians. I read the signs. I drive my car to many places. I drive my car to work. But when I work, I drive my bus. Beep, 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 beep. Thank you for listening.